Hello and namaste. This is Dr. Payal Verma, and I have come up with a very interesting platform. The curator of Starlight with Payal Verma, co-powered by Amber, which is a non-profit organization promoting wellness in the community. Well, who can come on this podcast? Anyone who has a vision, a mission, anyone who wants to have a greater audience, anyone who wants to publicize their services and their products to a larger audience and get great business, somebody who wants name, fame, popularity, wants to experience how it is to sit on this side of the camera and get that limelight. This is for all of you because Starlight believes in real lives, real people, true stories, and real inspiration. So this is the right place for you. Connect with us. Oh, hello everyone. This is your very own Dr. Payal Verma, and welcome to yet another episode of Starlight with Payal Verma, which is co-powered by Amber, a charitable trust which works in the sphere of wellness to promote wellness through their programs in the community. And all of you already know that we've been running so many episodes of Starlight already. And today I'm really excited because the guest I have over is very close to my heart. And I'm sure most of you must be knowing her. And I will not take much of time. I will want to introduce her to all our viewers, everyone who's joining this live, as well as who's going to be watching this podcast recording later on Instagram, Facebook, as well as on my YouTube channel. So let's get rolling. Let me first welcome her on our podcast. So welcome Mehtab Jabin.
Thank you.
Welcome to Starlight.
Thank you.
And with open hearts, all of us are, we want you to be, and you are going to be the part of our Starlight family. So I hope you're liking it today, being
Absolutely.
here.
Looking forward for the wonderful conversation we are going to have.
Excellent. So, I'll tell you why she's special. By the way, let me give you a brief. I will have to say brief because nahi to bahut lamba ho jayega. There is so much to her character and strength, and I can go on and on. But let's make it a little concise and inspirational because Starlight is all about real lives, real people, and true inspirations, right? And that's the same theory Amber also follows. So, Mehtab Jabin, जो है आज हमारे साथ है, she is our guest for this episode. She is a woman whose journey beautifully blends literature, compassion, and humanity. It is my absolute pleasure, of course, to introduce her to our audiences today, our viewers today. And who is she? She is a poetess, author, humanitarian, and the founder of Peace in Unity. We will get to know more about that from her. And she is also a philanthropist. Am I right? So, a very gifted writer. Mehtab is the author of 3 books and the soulful voice behind the podcast Marze Dil. Wow. Where poetry meets healing and emotions find their expression. Her words have touched countless lives through poetry, literature, blogs, and meaningful conversations. Beyond her literary achievements, she is deeply committed to humanitarian service. Through Peace and Unity and her years of dedicated social work, she has quietly transformed many lives by supporting the underprivileged or the lesser privileged in our community, promoting mental well-being, and championing peace and caring for both people and animals with extraordinary compassion. She believes that while technology may change the world, kindness and compassion are traits which always remain humanity's greatest strength. So, can you imagine this was a brief? So, what this lady must be holding inside her? She is tremendously talented, a very young soul we have here who's going to be celebrating her journey, her experiences with all of us and inspiring many. So once again, Mehtab, uh, a warm welcome to Starlight with Payal Verma, and I'm looking forward to really having a wonderful conversation with you. So
Yeah, thank you so much.
let's begin by understanding, where did this all begin? You are so much in this little frame that you have, this slender frame that you have. Itna kuch मैं बोलूँगी, you have it in you. So you're a writer, you're an author, you are a philanthropist, you work for community, you work for social cause, you promote peace, and of course, what we had, unity in peace, right?
Peace and unity.
Peace in unity. So please let us know where this journey begins. You already are a very young person. कितने पहले आपने ये सब शुरू किया?
Okay.
इतना कुछ, so much.
Okay. So thank you so much for all the wonderful things that you have already said about me. It really
A
makes
brief,
me
huh? That's a brief, but lots more is coming up.
true, but then I'm really humbled to hear so many good things about myself. To be honest, it is the surrounding around me that has always, to some extent, provoked me. It disturbs me sometimes. It makes me think a lot that everything and every situation we are living through, is it really worthy of living?
Wow.
This one question has always hindered in my mind.
Okay.
That are we really having a great life? And the next generation or whoever, I have always believed in focusing on the simple thing of life. Because everybody's talking about NASA, missiles, aircrafts, and the bigger things.
Right.
Nobody looks at the simple things.
True that.
So this was one of my aim, definitely, to look into the simple thing of life. And we see everything big, but we don't look at that one child who's standing in the ground and looks up into the sky and thinks someday I'll become a pilot.
Right.
We never focus on that.
My
We are
God.
focusing on the bigger aspect of life.
Okay.
That is one of my motive, and of course there is one.
So that inspired you.
Definitely,
This is the
that did.
thought that inspired you. लेकिन ये, when did you start this, realizing that? See, I would not say that you're not like the normal people we have around. The people, who lead a life of getting up at 6 and then going back, partying hard and going back to sleep at 2 o'clock at night. You seem to be a very different person, and of what I know you, a little bit, of course, in the professional zone,
Yes.
you are different from the normal people we have around of your age. So what makes you so different? You are not operating like the other people of your age group.
Very
So
true.
when did you realize you were different?
I think it's very early in my life that I have realized.
So
I
what age?
Oh, probably 16, 17, maybe.
Wow.
Yeah, since then only I could not merge very well with people, because every time if I sit with people, what we are talking about is people.
Right.
So we are not talking ideas. We are not talking something good, something constructive. It is just the gossiping and sort of thing that totally drains me out. So I honestly don't like doing that. Something constructive, not in a very large scale again, because one person alone cannot bring a lot of change. But definitely, if you want to see a change, you should yourself be the one first.
Correct.
Absolutely. And there is, of course, there are writers and philosophers who actually inspires me a lot. One of my favorite writers is Khalil Gibran.
Wow.
And one of his quote is that, giving without asking is well. I mean, giving with asking
With
is
asking.
well, but it's better to give without asking, through understanding.
Wow.
So you need to understand what people actually want. They are struggling with a lot of things in life. Sometimes they cannot place them in words. Or
Right.
they cannot put them into, put their emotion into words so that other can understand. I think that is a gift for them who understands.
Okay, so should I ask you one thing? I think the audience, our friends and fans and your page, my page, all our followers, they want to know. I also want to know, like, who is this one person who has been a real good inspiration? We all, gather inspiration from somewhere. It can be a situation, it can be a person. What actually inspired you into this line of thinking at the age of 16 or 17?
I cannot name any one person, because there is no person actually. In my case, indeed, it is totally different. It's the God alone and the
Wow.
realization of life. That's all.
All
I
right.
followed that path until date. I do. That is the only pleasure I think I have, that I actually keep following God and His teachings, and I keep on going, reading and reading and reading. Ardent
Right.
reader, you can say.
You're an ardent reader.
Absolutely.
You have to be. You're an author.
To some
So,
extent, yes.
of all the books that you have read, of course, you are an author. You've already written 3 books, right? So we'll come to which are the names and what are the names so that the viewers can also go, and how do we purchase it? Where is it available?
Absolutely.
So, which is that one book which left a mark or an impression on your psyche? कौन सी वो एक book है? You know, which is that one book which actually you can say touched you?
One I would name is of Paul Coelho. It's The Alchemist.
The Alchemist. Yeah, I know many of you must have read that book. It's an amazing one. And if you haven't, along with Mehtab's books, you must read The Alchemist. It's a wonderful.
It is filled with knowledges, wisdom,
Right.
ideas, and everything. Because education is something that you gain out of school, colleges. It is a formal degree that you hold.
Right.
But wisdom is something that you get or accumulate while living the world, while living your life. I
Right.
think Alchemist is one of the greatest example of it. And of course, my life also goes like that only. That is the reason why I
Right.
said it's the realization of life that has led me here.
So why don't you tell us one more thing? Like, see, I'm not a writer, okay? So, but I I understand that a writer is someone who is very creative. You agree, disagree?
Absolutely.
Without creativity, you cannot have, I mean, you have to be a right brain person.
Correct.
You have to have creativity in order to, pen down feelings, because feelings everyone has. बट उसको वर्ड्स में कैसे उतारना है, उसे बोलना कैसे, उसे लिख के कैसे बयां करना है, कैसे लोगों तक पहुंचाना है, वो राइटर करते हैं.
जी.
एंड द ऑथर्स. सो ये आपको लगता है कि अगर आप कम क्रिएटिव होते तो आप इतना कर पाते हैं? आपको लगता है क्रिएटिविटी प्लेज अ वेरी बिग रोल? एंड अदर देन writing books, does this strike out in you in other areas of your life also?
Yeah.
Are you a creative person, or you are like enough creative to write a book?
I think
In other
I
words.
will let that to be answered by you. You have
Me?
you have gotten the glimpse of my creativity.
Right.
Yes.
I can't share the glimpse, guys. I mean, this is one sweet guest we have on board today who actually helped me with a lot of setup today. So thank you. On camera, I'm really telling you, you are a great human being, and I really appreciate. Beyond which I will not divulge more information.
Absolutely.
So coming back to creativity.
Totally. Pleasure
So
is totally mine.
So like you think you're very creative, or like so what are the और क्या क्या create करते हो यार? Books थोड़ा serious हो जा रहा है.
हाँ.
Books तो लिखते हैं. So इस चेहरे के पीछे कुछ फन भी तो होता होगा कि खाली ऐसे ही रहते हो सीरियस?
नहीं, फन है लेकिन वो बहुत लिमिटेड है.
Ah,
बहुत ज्यादा लिमिटेड है.
okay.
Yeah, everyone doesn't get a glimpse of it. और
Yeah?
जो जानते हैं फिर वो तो फिर
Am I the lucky one?
we'll have to see that. But then
Okay.
creative तो है ही, definitely है. I think it runs in the blood.
Really? Okay.
Not just me, my entire family and everything. And writing, I think, is the most unplanned thing in my life.
Oh.
Yeah.
So can you share a little light on that? What do you mean by unplanned? I mean, writers.
I have never in my life thought that I'll be writing.
Really?
Absolutely.
Okay.
That was the last.
ये कब आया that aha moment कब था कि you realize, oh, I am supposed to be a writer, this is the vision and mission of my life?
No, it was during my 16 or 17 only I started scribbling down on the pages. That is what
Okay,
I
you
would
started
say.
penning
Penning
something,
down
your
something.
thoughts or
I've
maybe.
never ever shared it with anyone. It was just with me only, piling
okay.
up. But it was with me.
Journaling kind of stuff क्या?
No, not journal
लोग लिखते
exactly.
रहते हैं बहुत अपने दिन
Like
के
when I
बारे में.
travel or something, I'm just looking to the nature or something. Something
हाँ.
just strikes in my
हाँ,
mind.
okay, okay.
और तब तो फोन उतना ज्यादा relevant नहीं था, तो डायरीज
हाँ,
ज्यादा
हाँ.
होता था.
Diaries, we used to write a lot.
Hmm.
Right.
So I just used to pen down, not with much emphasis on whether I'll be a writer or not. Absolutely nothing. It never crossed my mind. And it went like that only. But much later, I'll definitely have to thank my eldest sister for that.
Okay.
Yeah, she was the first person who told me that ऐसा क्यों होगा कि you will keep on reading other people's book. One day you will be writing and
Wow.
I will be reading. But
So I
seriously?
think one inspiration I was asking you, कोई एक जिन्होंने, you got that push.
No. It was no. This I'll have to be honest. Inspiration नहीं था.
Push था.
लेकिन she
Belief
said कि
था.
why
She had a
don't-
belief
हाँ,
factor in you.
definitely. She said कि why don't you just try? अच्छा ठीक है देखते हैं, बिकॉज माई होल थिंग वॉज ऑलरेडी फॉर्म्ड, वो था
Right.
ही, मुझे करना कुछ नहीं पड़ा। मुझे अपने राइटिंग में से 20-25 पोएम्स निकालने थे एंड आई
Wow.
गेव इट टू द पब्लिशर कि आई वांट दिस टू बी पब्लिश्ड।
Lovely.
इट वाज एज सिंपल एज, तो मेरे पास सारी चीजें थे, आई डिड नॉट हैव टू पुट ऑन एन एफर्ट टू राइट द होल थिंग अगेन। And yes, the acceptance was good. Actually, I missed one thing. So, no, even before my sister, how it began, I wrote an article. So, as is, yeah, an
Okay.
article,
Okay.
which is a strong one. And the heading of which was to make each life count.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was during the COVID time. I was very much disturbed. I used to go outside and I used to see the Punjabi people doing the langar for the
Yeah,
COVID.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, so I also wanted to, join them. Not directly, but
Okay.
indirectly we did a lot of things then.
Wow.
And that time I wrote this article, and a friend of mine got that article, and he got it published in the Kenya Times, which is e news portal
Mm-hmm.
which runs in Kenya.
In Kenya.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
So it got published there.
It got published there.
Yes.
Wow.
So then, thought कि अच्छा ठीक है, इतना हुआ है तो हो सकता है. It was like that.
तो एक और आपके बारे में जो मैं जानना चाहूंगी, लाइक थोड़ा सा ऐसे और आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को बाहर निकाला जाए।
Mhm.
आप ऑथर तो हो ही, बट यूर पोएटिस।
Yes.
तो आप मतलब कविताएं लिखते हो, यू राइट पोएम्स, एंड डू यू ऑल्सो शायरी भी करते हो आप?
जी.
तो कैन वी रिक्वेस्ट कि कोई शायरी हो जाए आपकी तरफ से फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस,
Okay.
और मे बी यू कैन one for our viewers and one for
You.
to inspire me
Okay,
with doing
okay.
more of work with Starlight, bringing more such people like you on board.
Okay. तो पहले व्यूअर्स के लिए रखते
And
हैं.
हम क्या बोलेंगे, इरशाद? What do we say?
बिल्कुल
हाँ,
अर्ज
हाँ?
किया है. I'll be saying अर्ज
Okay.
किया है. You will be saying इरशाद.
आप वहां से बोलिए, कैमरे के पीछे से जो भी हमारे व्यूअर्स है सब बोलेंगे
हाँ,
इरशाद.
सब बोलेंगे इरशाद.
Okay.
First one I'll say for the viewers, because I think there is no one who cannot relate to this.
Okay.
अर्ज किया है.
इरशाद.
इरशाद.
I am a good student.
Okay, so just a second, I'm missing. गहरा जख्म छुपा लेता है मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा वो. गहरा जख्म छुपा लेता है मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा वो, पर छुपा नहीं सकता अपने गमों को. पर छुपा नहीं सकता अपने गमों को जब कोई पूछ ले तन्हाई में, तुम ठीक तो हो.
वाह वाह, क्या बोलते हैं एंड में?
बहुत खूब.
बहुत खूब. आई मीन मैं सिर्फ वाह बोल पा रही हूँ. आई मीन ये आपने खुद ऑब्वियसली लिखा है. दिस इज अमेजिंग. ये आप स्पॉन्टेनियसली बना भी लेते हो ऑन स्पॉट?
वो रेयर है.
वो rare है?
आई थिंक मुझे अभी भी बहुत मेहनत करनी
But-
पड़ेगी वो करने के लिए.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत. आई लव दिस.
Yeah.
आई लव
I think
दिस.
everybody can relate this. We all carry certain things जो दिखता नहीं है दुनिया को. बस कोई तन्हाई में एक बार बस पूछ ले, ट्रिगर कर दे.
I know. So, you know what I realize, guys, what I understand from what she just narrated as a shairi, it really brings out the sensitive side in you. Because ये वही बोल सकता है जो sensitive हो. किसी की खामोशी को पढ़ने के लिए जिसकी एक नजरिया वैसा हो ना, उसी को ये इस तरह के थॉट्स आ सकते हैं. इट्स वेरी डीप अभी जो आपने बोला.
जी वो तो है.
Because-
शायरी डीप ही होती है जनरली.
Yeah, but then that is why you must be a very sensitive person, a sensitive soul. So you catch किसी की स्माइल के पीछे क्या कैच करना, you can understand that.
I try.
You try. Good. Yeah, try till you succeed. You are succeeding.
Absolutely.
तो एक हो जाए
अच्छा आपके लिए.
हमारे स्टारलाइट और पायल वर्मा के लिए.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट में तो होना मुश्किल
कुछ
है.
भी.
अच्छा जस्ट अ सेकंड.
So we have to give her that time.
हाँ मुझे अभी सडनली याद, आपने ये टॉपिक दे दिया ना तो मेरा
चलिए,
थोड़ा
अगर
सा
आप
डायरेक्ट-
बाद में बोलना चाहे हम बाद में भी कर सकते
हाँ
हैं.
वो
ऐसी
हम लोग बात
चलेगा?
करते हैं.
बट जाने नहीं देंगे बिना उसके.
Okay.
थोड़ी हमारी तारीफ में भी हम कुछ सुनेंगे आपसे. आप
Okay.
चाहे उसे.
ओके मुझे याद
आ गया?
चलो,
Okay,
बढ़िया,
okay,
एकदम
okay.
स्टारलाइट के लिए भी और आपके लिए.
वाओ.
एंड आई थिंक ये हम सब के लिए है जो लोग
हाँ हाँ.
रिस्क लेते हैं.
वाओ. यस. ओके. ठीक है.
अर्ज किया है.
इरशाद. सॉरी. ओके.
ओके सो अर्ज किया है. लहरों के खिलाफ जाने की हिम्मत कहाँ सब में होता है. लहरों के खिलाफ जाने की हिम्मत कहाँ सब में होता है. नजरें जब तक जुदा ना हो किनारों से. नजरें जब तक जुदा ना हो किनारों से, गहराई समंदर का पता कहाँ चलता है।
वाह 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 वाह, थैंक यू,
प्लेजर,
बहुत खूब.
प्लेजर।
I mean, goose flesh, I'm having goosebumps already. So that was the poet in Mehtab, you know. So, अगर मैं पूछूं that, you know, as a writer,
Hmm.
do you think that there are challenges which you have to face in order to, you know, bring your thoughts to the larger community, or as a, you're judged many times for what you're doing or what you're not doing, or for कि आप, do you think people are judgmental about you at times, or they accept you as you are, like, or you do find challenges in your life? हम सब कोई ना कोई तरह के challenges तो face करते हैं. तो
Absolutely.
आपने किस तरह के challenges, आप, you're different from the normally, तो ये इस तरह का life lead करने के लिए, what are the kind of challenges, judgments which you have faced in life?
Okay.
In life as in you're very young, but अभी तक.
To be really honest, you know, judgment, there has been ample of them, to be honest. But I think nothing bothers me much. Judgment is just goes on very smoothly. But one of the judgment I'll definitely like to
Yeah.
share, which is not directly related to writing, but still it's very prominent
Okay.
in my lifestyle, I would rather say.
In your life.
Yeah. And it doesn't affect me at all. But
All
then,
right.
yeah, because why I'm sharing is people needs to think about it. The mindset needs to be checked. for
Little,
that.
हाँ, okay, okay.
So what I've been told that बहुत backdated है, primitive है,
Oh,
because she puts on a lot of clothes.
oh,
Yeah. So this is something which I've heard again and again.
really?
So, you know, I'm completely a non-judgmental person. You can put that in colon, italics,
Ah.
bold, whatever you want.
Right,
I'm
we'll do
completely-
that, we'll do that, we'll
Yeah,
do that.
because I'm completely non-judgmental person.
Wow.
But when arrows are being, you know, thrown towards me,
yeah.
then I'll have
They are
to
shot
at
towards you.
least propose my logic or theory to the
True that.
world. Yes. So when they call me primitive or outdated, or not outdated, old, primitive.
Yeah, maybe more conventional and more, you have basically conventional mindset, which they mean to say. You're not,
No, they are trying to say that I'm not up to date,
Uh-huh.
outdated. So my point where it comes, when you're calling primitive,
yeah,
then we need to go back to the old Stone Age.
uh-huh.
That is the Paleolithic age.
Right,
So we all know it was during the evolution of human being, the
Right,
Paleolithic age, where
right.
human just came out.
right.
So they were all naked.
Yeah,
that
true,
time.
true.
Nobody wore dresses. It
Correct.
was much later that they got to know that it was due to the insects, harmful insects, or
Right,
harsh
right.
weathers.
That you need
they
to
have to cover them.
cover themselves.
So what they did, they took the barks of the tree, plants, leaves, and they just covered up.
they
in
cover.
opposite way.
Correct.
Nothing organized. That used to happen. Much later in the Paleolithic age, the invention or creation of the dresses came over. They used to do with the bones
Okay.
of animals.
Animals.
They used to make needles out of it,
Oh,
and they used to stitch the barks of the tree and the leaves.
all right.
And they used to put it on.
All right.
So later comes the Mesolithic age. In the Mesolithic age, you can say a proper dress started coming in,
Correct.
and people started putting it on.
Correct.
Much later, obviously, in the Neolithic age, the fashion evolved, and people started flaunting, etc., etc., etc. So here, what I want to point out, that if really putting on dress means the primitive, or the other way, or the vice versa, because you see, the world is so liberal when
Right.
it comes to advocating nudity,
Correct.
but the same world turns so conservative when it comes to accepting modesty.
Wow. Very well explained.
Definitely. And also, there is one quote which we all have heard, that my rules, my body, my choice.
True that.
So when exposing, this rule is applied. Why is
why
the
not?
same rule applied when you want to cover up?
Fantastic. What a mindset. I think मुझे भी कुछ बहुत ही
यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक और
बहुत
बता
ही
दूं?
हाँ श्योर प्लीज गो
मैं
अहेड.
मुस्कुराकर अपना लिया दर्द अपना.
ओके.
मैंने मुस्कुराकर अपना बना लिया दर्द को, वो
Wow.
मुझे दर्द देकर भी मुस्कुरा नहीं पाए.
वाह 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 वाह,
But it's
lovely.
not my written. I don't know. I've read it somewhere. I don't know
Okay,
the writer.
so
But जो भी लिखा है बहुत अच्छा लगा है.
so we obviously not written by her, but yes, she remembered and she shared it with us. तो the credit goes to जिन्होंने भी ये lines लिखी हैं. So इस पे I can actually relate to you on one or two topics. Is that I also began my realization that I was not a normal human being in the terms of people, little abnormal when I was like 14, 12, 14, that age group. So I started my meditations and my journey into spirituality at the age of 15 or 14 when I started doing all of that. And you know, I have my friends, especially the ones who know me very well, my close friends, they've always been telling me, यार तुम तो 1950s की आंटी हो. You are like, God knows what you're going to do with your children. You know, you will make them traditional in their outlook. But they are the same people today who say that you've done a great job. You've done a great job with what you've done with your children and the way where you've escalated in life. And I also share the same trait. My friends will agree with this, all my friends on my social media and my family. In events, you'll find me covered from top to toe. So I make sure that events, even now I'm wearing a full sleeve. So, you know, I'm a very strong believer in what you just said. You need to be comfortable. Well, non-judgmental again, disclaimer. We are not trying to promote that you need to wear all this. What she's trying to say, what I'm trying to say is that be comfortable in whatever you wear and do not judge people.
Absolutely.
So, if you want to show skin, it's absolutely fine.
That's your choice.
But that doesn't mean that people who want to stay covered are backdated.
Absolutely.
So thank you for this. You know, I'm sure बहुत लोगों का नजरिया आज change हुआ होगा.
I hope
and
so.
होना चाहिए.
I hope so.
Do look at it and think about this.
Eventually, what happens? You are making lives difficult of others.
Right.
Who will pay attention to? I don't
Correct.
pay attention. Nothing happens to me.
Right.
Because my principles, my vision, my values are so intact, so distinct that आप कुछ भी कर लो चीज नहीं होनी.
Right.
आपसे मुझे prove करना पड़ेगा कि मैं गलत कर रही हूँ. And if
Right.
I'm successful in proving, then definitely I'll change my outlook towards it.
So coming to this, let me ask you, can you just name the books and tell the viewers कि आपने कौन-कौन सी books लिखी हैं और ये कहाँ available है, from where they can purchase it, buy it and read it?
Sure. First one is As the Silence Whispers. Second is Glimpse of Imagination, which both are a collection of my poems. And the third one is a novel, which is Healing Slowly. All are available in Amazon.
Okay, so all are available on Amazon. Healing Slowly, my subject. So what inspired you? Do you think you are a healer? Or do you think that, do you feel that anybody and everybody can be a healer?
Absolutely.
So what is your definition of healer?
Making life easier of others.
Wow.
That's the simplest thing I can say.
Being sensitive.
Being sensitive
Being
in
little-
whichever way possible.
Correct.
Sometimes just smiling
Being
at
little
somebody.
kind, being little compassionate.
Yes.
So we
Sometimes
all
just passing on a smile to somebody else, that is also healing, because you don't know what that person is going through,
correct.
what baggage, emotional baggage that person is carrying.
Correct.
Just passing on a smile, okay, for a second that person feels okay. So that is also healing.
Wow.
So there isn't any parameter for healing, but definitely there is a parameter to humanity, which is kindness.
Which is?
Kindness.
Wow. Okay.
Humanity, that definitely is a parameter.
True.
But for healing, I don't think there is any.
And I think that's the language, which is the global language, no?
Yes.
And no matter where you are in the world, which part of world, you're in France, you're in Germany, you're pan-India, wherever, any state, any language, one language, I'm sure you'll agree with me, one language that anyone and everyone can understand is the language of love.
Absolutely.
आप बिना कुछ बोले सब कुछ बोल सकते हो when you operate from the platform, from the feeling, from this feeling called love.
Correct.
Compassion.
Correct.
Right? So love doesn't need words. It's like literally, you know, you can express through your actions that yes, I care. Yes, I care.
Care,
So, you
absolutely.
know, yes, I am there. All these things, I think, you know, you don't need to always say it. Your actions speak.
True.
So love is something which is understood all over the
Universal
world.
language.
It's a universal language. True that. So coming to healing, you wrote especially a book on healing. So like इसकी inspiration आपको कहाँ से आई? कि आपने एक book ही लिख डाली healing के ऊपर?
Again, it will be the same realization. This answer will always be the same.
Wow.
Just there are lots of question in our lives that gets unanswered when you're sitting with yourself, when you're spending time with yourself. So those question gets answered, and when those question gets answered, you put them on a page or paper. It forms into a new kind of a story. So again, there is a quote of Carl Jung. He says that one who looks outside
Yeah.
dreams, but one who looks inside awake.
Wow.
So you always need to look within inside.
See, I cannot stop telling everyone what depth we are getting from such a young girl. Seriously, you have something in you, Mehtab, and I think nobody could do justice to this, yes, to this side. I mean, thank you for being on board with me today.
Pleasure. No,
So,
it's totally mine.
Seriously, time कितनी जल्दी जा रहा है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा आपके साथ. I think we should be having a part 2 with you, and I'm sure I'll come up with a part 2 with you.
Oh, wow.
But one thing, before we go down the lane of coming to a closure, there are a few more surprises.
Definitely.
So I want to understand one thing. You're very unconventional kind. You're different, and you're a writer. You're a philanthropist, and I'm sure, and you love animals, right?
Absolutely.
So can you just talk a little about like what you do for the animals? Like, because see, it's not just humans that we need to care about. We need to care about our environment. We need to care about the animals. We need to care about everything that is around us. So इसमें आप क्या करते हो? I've heard that you have many pets. Is that true?
Yeah, I don't have it in my house actually. They
Okay.
come to my house, I mean our house, every day. They have the lunch fixed in our house, and it has been going since 4 years now.
Wow,
So
you
now
feed
they have
you feed you
I
feed
yeah.
like what? Whom do you feed? Like dogs?
pigeons.
Oh, you feed pigeons,
Yeah.
birds.
Around 250 they have crossed. Every day they come, they eat, they go back. And whenever somebody is having some ailment in their limb, in their claws,
Yeah.
I just do for them.
Wow.
And
So
another
see?
window has turned totally into a maternity ward where
Wow.
they
Maternity ward. So
Yeah.
they come and
lay eggs,
they lay
have
eggs.
babies there, and they'll fly off. It is
Wow.
a circle, it's going on.
This is lovely.
Yeah, and that would never have been possible without my family. Definitely, my mom is there, my sister is there. Somebody or the other is constantly in
Yeah.
service.
So service, I think, is a very important part of
And it is not just about birds. I think animals, cats. I mean, whatever you tell me, except human. So,
except human. Point to be noted.
so except human, you can tell me anything. I just love animals.
You love
Yeah,
animals.
and there is a connection. They will follow me wherever I go.
So
Mary
with-
had a little lamp. You remember this?
yeah,
poem. So wherever she would,
yeah, right.
she'll make it a point to
True that.
follow her. That,
Correct.
that's my taste, actually.
So my question to you is that see, we all need to get this word called motivation. Motivation के बिना मुश्किल है. Most of the people find motivation in gratification from the outer world. Like, somebody constantly needs to keep telling them, हाँ नहीं, you can do it, हाँ तुम कर सकते हो. Appreciation, जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So, like, at times, does ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपकी सारी बुक्स बहुत लोग खरीदते हैं और बहुत पढ़ते हैं.
No.
तो डज दिस डिमोटिवेट यू एज अ राइटर कि आपको रीडरशिप उतनी नहीं मिल रही है? सो व्हाट कीप्स योर मोटिवेशन गोइंग? देखिए, लेट्स फेस द फैक्ट, रीडरशिप अगर नहीं हो तो इट इज फॉर अ नॉर्मल पर्सन, इट विल पुल देम डाउन. शुड आई राइट, शुड आई नॉट राइट? इट टेक्स टाइम, एफर्ट, एनर्जी टू पेन डाउन अ बुक, then publish it. So can you throw a light on this? Like, how do you keep going? You remain motivated या वो ग्राफ ऐसे से जाता है? Because if you don't have readership, author के लिए तो audience चाहिए. They want readers.
True. Never.
Wow, is that true? Never?
Absolutely true. Why, I'll tell you. Because what I believe in is quality, not quantity. So quantity never
Great.
excites me. I'm having 500 readers and they don't feel the depth of what I'm writing. They're just, turning pages. And then I have 100 readers who actually calls me and say that you have done a work, waiting for your next. That means
Fantastic.
a lot. And I'm very clear about what I'm writing. It is not just, to please
Yeah.
larger section, but people who connect, who understands, it is mostly like them, so that they can feel at ease when they
Uh-huh.
read and they extract something goodness out of it. So it never takes
So
me down.
it's again, you said quality over quantity.
Quality, absolutely.
So that keeps you going.
Absolutely. Because you see, the Gen Z, they are so flickering.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm saying this, but the truth, they also know. They cannot stay in one place for a very long time.
True.
It keeps on
So
skipping from
we
one
have
place to another.
ebooks also, no, nowadays?
Yeah,
We have ebooks, we have audiobooks also. Is that true?
true.
Like, I'm not a very avid reader, by the way, but I'll make sure that I'm going to read your book on healing and get some insights कि आपने क्या लिखा है उसमें.
Absolutely.
So, but I'm very comfortable with the audio books. So, do you think these are helping, और या फिर वो traditional way of writing books उसी को पढ़ना चाहिए? क्या उसका भी उतना ही value है या फिर audio books are equally good?
Definitely. It is not related to the generation that I was referring to. You can, if you're comfortable with reading, that's fine. If you're comfortable with just listening, that's also fine, whichever it is. Personally, if you're asking me, I would prefer
You would prefer reading?
physical book.
Physical book.
Yes.
I think this will never get outdated. ये मुझे लगता है.
Absolutely.
टेक्नोलॉजी आती रहेगी जाती रहेगी, लेकिन हमारे पास जो ऑथर हैं ऐसे और राइटर्स हमारे पास बहुत हैं दुनिया में जो बहुत अच्छा लिखते हैं, उम्दा लिखते हैं. एंड may you keep doing the great job that you're doing.
Thank you.
So I think it's time to have some fun. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, please.
Before that, just in a short, if you can say, what is this peace? Unity in peace. What?
Okay, yeah. So it is just
what
a
is this actually?
very small,
आपने जो
small
बोला,
group. Ji,
Okay.
Small group that I started. I will not say it is as a group. It is more of an idea.
all right.
Why I will say is because I found this communal disharmony in our society so much that I wanted to focus on the communal harmony. People fight based upon the dissimilarities. I
Right.
wanted to bring out the similarities
Okay.
so that people doesn't fight with one another.
So आप क्या करते हो इसमें अपने?
बहुत फॉर्मल नहीं है.
अच्छा.
इनफॉर्मल हमारे टॉकिंग सेशंस होते हैं जहाँ पर लोग अपने थॉट्स रखते हैं.
वाओ.
तो क्या होता है, पॉजिटिविटी हमारी जाती है. मेरे तरफ से मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आपकी तरफ से आप अपना मुझे
हाँ जी.
बता
तो ये where are you doing this actually?
whenever we meet any places,
Like
recently-
once a month or like once
No,
in
we
2
don't
months?
have any fixed thing because
Okay.
I'm handling it single-handedly.
Okay.
तो ये मुश्किल होता है, but we do all kind of charity from there.
All
But
right.
वो focus नहीं है. It's too private. Too private.
Okay.
Nobody knows anything about it.
Okay.
But what I want people to know, this idea that we are trying to bring about the communal harmony. Because it's very distinct.
Another great thought from a great writer, author, poetess, and I can go on and on. So I would suggest that connect with her, try to be a part of this unity that she has created, and please, I would love to be a part of this. Whenever you have a discussion, please include me in your next one.
Absolutely.
And I will learn a lot from all of you, and I will share my thought process.
Absolutely.
I should also get an opportunity to
We'll be looking
learn
forward to
and
talk.
share kind of stuff. So before we can end this conversation, I think time kahan chala gaya pata nahi chala, but let's have some fun. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Yes.
It's going to be a tough
I was
time.
expecting she said nahi, I'm not that type.
Yes, I already
You're ready?
said that I'm going to have a tough time.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to throw a few questions at you, like it's a rapid fire. So and अगर आपने अच्छे से जवाब दिए, so I have a gift for you.
अच्छा.
ऐसा नहीं है हाँ, और मेहनत आपकी खराब नहीं जाएगी.
नहीं दिए तो.
Then I won't give you the gift.
Okay.
No, I will give you the gift anyways. So are you ready for it?
Sure.
Oh, so we shoot out the questions. Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Early bird.
All right. Sari or western wear?
Depends on the situation.
Hey, I want one answer.
Both. Depends on the situation.
She's been, I'm not going to give her. Huh?
But
You have to choose one. Sari or western outfit?
how do I say this now? It totally depends upon the situation where I'm
He's
going.
not getting
I
that.
cannot go to a wedding wearing a western dress now. Indian wedding.
Situation. What's your personal preference? The writer is
Preference.
speaking in her. Overthinking.
Sorry.
Chalo, she's so reluctant. Huh? Okay. Pen and paper or laptop?
Pen paper.
Pen paper. Oh, you're the pen paper person. वो laptop वाला लिखने वाला नहीं.
हाँ, काम के लिए मुझे करना पड़ता है. अभी
हाँ.
कोई पब्लिशर ट्रांसलेट नहीं करेगा पेपर में से लैपटॉप.
Oh, okay. But you are a pen paper person. All right. So rain or winter?
You can't ask me to choose this.
And then doesn't matter.
It's not
No,
possible
you
for me
can't.
to choose.
I'm the host. I can ask you.
Rain.
Rain or winter?
Rain.
Rain. Okay. I'm a winter baby, by the way. Huh? I love winters. I like rain also, but I'm more of a winter baby. Okay. Are you an introvert or an extrovert or an ambivert?
Complete introvert.
That was very fast.
Very fast.
Instagram or YouTube? मैं वहीं पे फिर ये डालूंगी.
अच्छा. अब इसका भी मैं बोलूंगी तो आप तो छोड़ोगे नहीं तो फायदा नहीं है इंस्टाग्राम ही ले लो आप.
Instagram नहीं, YouTube पे भी जाएगा. Don't worry.
नहीं मैं बोलूंगी
So
अगर कि दोनों
Instagram?
डिपेंड्स फिर आप
She's
सुनोगे
choosing.
नहीं.
She's choosing in
इंस्टा
Insta.
रखते हैं.
Acha.
हाँ.
But you will be featured, huh? This will go on YouTube also.
Okay.
Please watch your episode on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, and the viewers, we'll have her on YouTube also.
Okay.
All right. Shopping or traveling?
Traveling.
Call or text?
Depends who the person is in the other side.
Hey, this is again that writer wala thing I don't want
इसको
over
मैं
here.
कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ choose. Depends totally who the person.
Okay, she gets a 0 on that. So, if a movie is made on your life, who should play Mehtab Jabin?
Oh my god. Nobody can play my role. Trust me.
Mehtab, I need an answer. All
Payal
my
Verma.
Huh?
Payal Verma.
Wow, I got a job. I got a new job. Great. Okay, guys. So I'm featuring Mehtab in her net. So I'm going to ढूंढना पड़ेगा producer, director. वो मैं ढूंढ लूंगी. So I am the heroine. Okay. So what's one thing people always assume about you that's completely incorrect, wrong?
Arrogant.
Uh-huh.
Arrogant.
They find you arrogant.
Sometimes.
Really? Because you talk less? Aha, I know. Okay. So complete this statement. Happiness is.
Gratitude.
Very good. Something that we again resonate with. If you had to write a poem on Payal Verma
I've already shared it earlier.
in just one line, what would it be? No, this is only for me.
One line.
See, you have to be impromptu here.
Just a second.
You have to give me an answer, otherwise, no gift.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a second. One line, right?
Yeah, one line. Give a good one, huh?
Sure.
Okay. She's framing it. Patience, patience. She's framing it.
आसमानों की बुलंदियों तक जाए आपकी कामयाबी.
वाह वाह, धन्यवाद. जरूर जाएगी.
इंशाल्लाह.
जब कारवां ऐसा सजेगा तो जरूर जाएगी.
हाँ.
एंड तो मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत कर लेती हूँ, है ना? आई कैन.
Sit one day for this.
Yeah. Where I'll fail drastically.
आप मुझे
Yeah,
No.
I'll fail drastically, but I don't mind. I'll still come.
No. आप एक
I'll learn.
I'll help now.
Okay, so coming to the end of this rapid fire, if your audience and the people watching us today and the recordings later, if your audience could remember only one sentence from our podcast we had today with you, what would you want them to remember?
Okay, it will not be one line. If about
Share whatever comes to you. Please go ahead.
2 to 3 lines. It will be never be afraid of being alone. Never be afraid of being sad. That will be 2 of the things which
takeaway?
I believe. Yeah, because that is what, that is the strength. That is the foundation of the strength. A person with a spine will never crumble down with the absence of superficial crutches.
Wow, with that, I think that's a very strong message given to all of us. And one word, one word that instantly comes to your mind when I say starlight.
Healing.
Healing. Excellent. So, Mehtab, आपने बहुत सारे questions नहीं दिए, answers, लेकिन you are my guest, special guest. So I cannot let you go without the gift. So can I have the gift, please? So my friends behind the camera who are, helping me out. So it's okay. So thank you so much. And guess what is this? I'll tell you. This is something very special. I'll take it out for you. Can you hold that?
Thank you so much.
This is a plant. It's a jade, and this is green.
Okay. It's already soothing.
Yes. So this is to bring all the love in your life, the greenery, the abundance, the prosperity, and may you keep flourishing. You may keep growing like the plant and be as healing as you are, just like the jade that we have. A very small gift from us. So with that, we actually come to the end of our podcast today with Mehtab Jabin. And I cannot be grateful enough to have such a wonderful, wonderful lady on my podcast. So, how do you get to know her more? Please watch the recordings, and what if you want to connect with her, you can. She will be collaborating on this podcast. So connect with her through your DMs. If you want to connect to me, questions, please do that through DMs. You will find all the details, and if you want to know, you already know the books she's written. They are available on the Amazon app, right? So we'll mention the book she's written. So do go and read that and give us your feedback. With that, thank you for being with us, and thank you once again, Mehtab, for being here on Starlight with Payal Verma. And we look forward to yet another good episode with her sometime soon. So thank you, Amber, for being on board with us. So this is Starlight, co-powered by Amber, a charitable trust. And with that, signing off for now. Thank you. Keep
Thank
watching.
you very much for having me here. I'm just cutting you. as
Please
I
do.
won't get
No,
the
you will
option.
get the option.
Okay.
We will end with you.
Okay.
So we won't let her go without one more line.
Okay.
So thank you, everyone. Thank you to my entire team who goes behind making our podcast a success. So keep watching. Do follow. Do subscribe. We are going to be on YouTube as well. So thank you once again. We love you. And she's going to end the podcast today. One line.
The pleasure was totally mine being here. And thank you very much for having me here. It was just not a simple conversation. Definitely, it's beyond that. Every question invited compassion, honesty. So, thank you very much. And all the best to you for all your next episodes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So with that, thank you. बने रहिए, देखते रहिए, follow करते रहिए, हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. Keep smiling and keep healing. Thank you. Yeah, thank you from us to you.